born every year in India. More than 200,000 babies suffer from respiratory distress disorder. Many of them breathe their last on the way to a hospital from primary healthcare centers. Hailing from rural Hirayur in Karnataka, Leela is one of the few lucky mothers. Her baby was born with a respiratory distress disorder, but timely medical care saved the little boy's breath and his life.
ಇದಾಗ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದಿತ್ತು, ಉಸಿರಾಟ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಐತೆ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಗುರುಗುರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತೆ. ಶೀತ ಹಿಂಗೇನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಶೀತ ಆಗಿ ಗುರುಗುರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಹುಷಾರಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ದುರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Those babies having respiratory distress, by the time they, and even mode of transport is also not so sophisticated. They have to wait for hours and hours together for ambulance to arrive. So during that time, what we have at our center is we give oxygen, we give ambu, we give suction. Even in spite of that, it is not sufficient.
To bridge this gap and to save India's future, one baby at a time, Nitesh Jangir and team have invented and designed SANS.
We have designed this CPAP machine to transfer the neonates who are having respiratory trouble.
A mechanical CPAP machine that can provide timely medical care in primary health centers and tertiary hospitals.
SANS is really simple device. It get input of a variable pressure and the input from anywhere. So currently in our device we got a pump mechanism, but it can get connected to the ambu bag also. So any variable pressure, SANS has a technology inside, it can convert it into the constant pressure, which is mandated by WHO.
This medical innovation was born when Nitesh, an electronics engineer, and Nachiket, who's a product designer, formed Koyo Labs, a company accelerated by Inaxel and dedicated to finding low-cost healthcare solutions.
We spent 2 months in St. John's doing day duty, night duty, whole 24 hours. In their emergency department, we were there every time. We were looking at patients, we are talking to doctors, we are asking why this happened, why this happened, why this happened. We recorded a lot of problems over there.
While SANS is awaiting clinical trials, ThoraShield, which is Nitesh's first innovation, has already been licensed for manufacturing. Designed during the Stanford India Biodesign program, this device safely drains excess liquid from the lungs.
This is the stabilizing clamp, which will go and stick on the patient's body. So if you assume it is a patient body, it will go and stick over there, and it will stabilize the needle insertion. This is a needle, and this needle will go inside the pleural cavity. So this needle will get stabilized by this clamp, and then we got a vacuum bottle. This vacuum bottle will get connected to the needles through this one-way valve switch, and it will automatically start pulling liquid.
Meanwhile, Nitesh and his team are hard at work on another medical device that can help eliminate a deadly infection lurking in ICUs.
Ventilator-associated pneumonia is a fatal infection of the lungs, which happens in patients who are on mechanical ventilator, for more than 48 hours in the ICU. This causes a huge burden on the patients, both economically as well as time-wise. 1 in 3 patients on a mechanical ventilation get ventilator-associated pneumonia. Also, the mortality is very high.
The answer to this global problem, according to the team, is VapCare, a device that can reportedly eliminate the secretions that cause the infection.
This is the trachea, this is the esophagus, and this is the endotracheal tube, which is going inside the trachea here, which is connected to the lungs. Now what happens is all these secretions which are collected in the oral cavity, the saliva, the mucus, all these, instead of going into the esophagus and in the stomach, they go inside the trachea, in the lungs, and they cause infection, which is ventilator associated pneumonia. So what we are creating is a device which will remove all these secretions from this disposable lumen, which will go over the endotracheal tube, and this will attach to a system which will sense these secretions, and based on sensing, this system will remove these secretions automatically.
Nitesh and Koyo Labs have only one aim, and that is to innovate and invent low-cost medical devices with Indian healthcare in focus.
India actually has got about 75% of the medical equipments are imported, and some of our problems are not addressed by the Western markets, and they don't even develop a product for that type of requirement. So it is essential for people like Nitesh, who are innovator, looking at those needs and coming out of the product.
This incredible innovator wanted to be a doctor. Instead, he became an electronics engineer who still saves lives.
According to me, everybody is across the sector, means start from middle class, lower middle class, even people who are below poverty line, everybody should have a right to a good health care. And if my innovation, my work can even do a fraction of that, so I would be like really happy.